VSAT Stock Wednesday. Am I buying or not? Let's talk about Viasat Stock. Now, if you're curious whether I'm buying in this VSAT Stock analysis, just watch this 1 minute video till the end. Overall, 32% gains is just phenomenal and I absolutely love it. Doesn't automatically make me long this though, you know, so it really still must give me a proper shift in order for me to do anything really. So, generally speaking, how this will look like is I'll come here. Look that previously I've gotten the double break and this break even got hit, you know, because it went down and then hit the break even. How do we mark break evens? No background, please. Yeah, there you go. Plus 0R. And because it's a 0R, then it started shifting. And when the price is going up like this, like again, I'm using common factors analysis like here with my framework and approach, bro, that took me for tens of thousands of dollars. I'm not even exaggerating how much money it's taking me to figure stuff out up until this point. Mentors, courses, and just me losing money, you know, my own resources. And with VSAT, it will be a proper long as long as the rules are met. Like, I'm not gonna try to be the guy here just like sitting here and just trying to shift and force moves. No. If, I mean, as long as the price comes a tad bit lower, then just breaks above that high, like literally nothing will stop me from taking this thing up. I just want to see signs of strong, powerful movements towards the upside. But other than that, obviously, I'm going to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.